Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this eye look using the new palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills the Riviera. I have done a graphic eyeliner makeup look using this eyeshadow here. In this palette we have so many colors and I wanted to be more creative for this video. I will continue testing this palette, so let me know in the comments what eye looks you would like to see with this palette. In this palette we also get a double-ended brush. This one here we have an eyeshadow brush and also a fluffier side. With this side I am taking eyeshadow Sales. This is the ultimate white matte eyeshadow. At first I place my brush on the arch and then I continue blending towards my brow bone. And I'm going back and forth. After that, with the blending brush, I am taking eyeshadow Cabana and I diffuse it into my crease. I am also blending the two eyeshadows together. Now it's time to create the outline for the graphic eyeliner with brush E65 by Sigma and also with eyeshadow Can. I'm starting with the outer corner. After that, I am lining the center of my crease on top of my iris and then I bring it into the inner corner. I continue by outlining from the wing towards the center. I'm cleaning with a Q-tip to correct the shape. I apply a second layer to make the color more intense. I'm cleaning my brush on a tissue and after that I'm taking eyeshadow Cabana. With this shade I'm going to blend the edges of the upper graphic eyeliner. To make the outline more intense, I'm taking again eyeshadow Can. I want to fill in the naked skin here with some creamy eyeshadows that we have. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I'm taking eyeshadow Inheritance. I am pressing the eyeshadow on the center of my eyelid. With whatever is left on my brush, I am blending the edges. I'm taking a smaller brush. This is the smudging brush by Essence and eyeshadow Seychelles. And I apply it on the outer part of my eyelid. I am blending towards the gold eyeshadow. With another smudging brush by Essence, I am taking eyeshadow Seaside. I'm using this eyeshadow to fill in the inner part of my eyelid. With a pencil brush by Morphe, I am taking eyeshadow Inheritance and I use it again on the center of my eyelid because I lost the gold eyeshadow. I want to make the gold eyeshadow super shiny, so I'm going to use a Photo Finish Primer Water by Smashbox and the pencil brush by Morphe. With a smaller angle brush, this is number 10 by BH Cosmetics, I am taking again eyeshadow Can. I am outlining one more time the graphic eyeliner. I'm cleaning my brush on a tissue and after that I am taking eyeshadow Bahamas. I am smudging this on the center of my lower lash line. I clean my brush again on a tissue and I take eyeshadow Inheritance. I continue with eyeshadow Cabana. I'm blending the edges of the lower lash line. I want to add some glitter on the graphic eyeliner. I am going to use the glitter eyeliner by Kiko Cosmetics in the shade 1. What do you guys like, with glitter or no glitter? I'm going to apply a little bit of eyeliner. I will not do a wing, and this is a liquid liner by Catrice Cosmetics in Dating Joe Black. In my waterline I am using the long lasting eye pencil by Essence in the shade Black Fever. For mascara, I am applying the Falsies Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline. For my lips, I want to use this one. It is the Essence Plumping Nudes Lip Gloss in the shade 3. She's so extra. I hope you guys like this more creative eye look, and let me know in the comments if you like the colors of this palette or if you have something similar. You can watch here my review for the new Urban Decay palette, the Naked Reloaded. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!